So usually most telcos, PLDT included, have what they call a lock-in period, where if you cancel the service before 2 years, let's say, you're gonna have to pay a penalty amount. And I was like, hell no. I went 47 days without internet, no one got back to me, PLDT service is ridiculous. I am not going to pay the penalty for canceling this stupid internet subscription. I had already prepared my letters. These are my documents saying that this is my reference number. I was calling your service hotline. I went 47 days without internet, and here's everything in writing, and I want these two things. I want a rebate for the time that the service was down, and number two, I want to cancel the service without paying the lock-in period violation penalty. I got to the CS person promptly. I explained the situation, I gave her my letter, and to be honest, I'm sort of curious, will she honor my request not to pay the penalty? The CS person listens to me, she looks at my letter, she says, I need to get this approved in the back, and she disappears, and 5 minutes later or so, she comes back and tells me that both my requests have been approved. So, if you're looking for a way to get out of your lock-in period, there it is. Go 47 days without internet, write a decent letter explaining the situation, and perhaps PLDT will not enforce the penalty clause. And really, the nerve, man, the nerve, if they decided to enforce that penalty clause. I've included the letter in the links below in case you would like to use it for whatever purpose it may serve. Of course, you need to edit the details, put in your own reference number, and change the details and things like that. But I'm more than happy to make that available to you guys online if it will help you out in a similar situation.